Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Guess what? I bought another planner. Don't judge me, it's my birthday month, I'm allowed to have this. Kikki was having a pretty good sale a couple of weeks ago, and I picked up, yes, another planner. So today I'm going to be unboxing last year's sweet planner in the personal size because personal size is my favorite. This is the medium Kikki. It's so cute, you guys. I have been eyeing this planner for a very long time, and I saw it in the sale and I was waiting for it to actually go down in price a little bit. However, they were having a 30% sale on the Kikki website, and I also got this monogram, so I'm very excited to be opening this package. I literally just got it in the door not even 10 minutes ago. So, oh gosh, it's so cute. So like I said, this is the past sweet collection from Kikki. I think it was released last year during August. And this, I think, is by far my favorite sweet collection that they've done. I do have the Kikki There She Is planner that also has these little illustrations. And I do also have the Own Your Story that has illustrations like this. But out of the past sweet collections, I think this one is my favorite. The one previous to it, I think it was still cute, but I just really like the colors in these illustrations better. So here is a look on the outside first. You have so many cute little illustrations. This leather is super soft. It actually reminds me of my Life is Wonderful planner. It is the exact same texture, but obviously just white with these images on it, which I think is really cute. And as you can see, there are so many little images here, and they're so cute and detailed. Some of my favorites include this little typewriter, which is under the clasp here. I also really like this bra. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I really like that bra as well. And of course, all of the animals. I like how there's a fish as well. And also on the back there are more animals here. There's a really cute chair over here, and then I think they also have like some books, and oh my gosh, I just realized there's a cute leather jacket there. How adorable is that? Okay, so now I'm gonna start opening this planner. As you can see, the button is rose gold. I'm gonna flip through everything in here, so guys, don't worry. So obviously the first thing that you can see here is my monogramming. I did get my name monogrammed in here, Ariel, and I got rose gold monogramming to match the rose gold button here. The rings are white, as you can see. So like always in Kikki planners, you do get a few of these little cards and stuff like that, and then you do get a really useful and handy notepad. This is just the square one, and this is tucked into a pocket up here, and then you do also get two other pockets here, which I think is probably one of the best configurations like that I've seen in a planner. There is no zipper pocket here, but they do have a zipper pocket in the A5. You just get a secretarial pocket in the personal size. The interior lining as well is blue with white dots, and I think it is so pretty. I actually thought it was going to be a little bit darker, which is why I didn't jump on it right away. If you've been watching my videos a lot, you can tell I really like neutrals, but I also really like pink. So I wasn't sure about having a blue planner. Technically this planner is white because it's white with illustrations on it, so I think it'll still match with everything that I have. So I'm going to take these off the rings first and show you guys the back notepad. So the back notepad is really cute as well. You have some illustrations of all of the dogs and animals here. I think they're all dogs and cats, which is really cute, and you do get a lot of sheets here. These two notepads, by the way, are sort of like a creamy off-white color. The leather is white, so you can kind of see the difference between those two. And you also do get a pen loop. This is also in a white color. This is elasticized, which can fit all the Kikki pens, and obviously since it's elasticized, it can fit even bigger pens. I purchased last year, I think, the pen set from this collection, and I have one of them here that matches the lining here. It also comes with one that has all of the dogs, and then I think like the typewriters and stuff like that. So that will fit perfectly in this pen loop as well. So cute, huh? Okay, so now I'm gonna quickly open these. This is gonna be a very quick video. I'm gonna show you guys the inserts and the dividers that come in here. and then I'll do a quick comparison with some of my other planners. I always really like flipping through these dividers. I think it's just so much fun. So all of these dividers, 3 of them are labeled, 4 of them are not, so you can put in your own labels. But all of these dividers are sort of like a creamy off-white color, the same as the notepads. It is not white. So this first divider is labeled monthly, and as you can see here you have some of the illustrations, some of the animals and stuff like that from this collection, and then it says a little quote in the middle which says every day is a little ray of sunshine. On the back it's also a cream color. And by the way, their dividers are laminated. They are really sturdy as well. It's kind of like a cardstock material, which I like. Now, of course, you do also get stickers from this collection as well. So you have some of the labels that you can put onto here. And I really like the different colors that are in this collection, because normally you don't see like this mustard color. You can probably see some of these other ones from other collections, but this mustard I think is just a really nice pop of color. And of course you do also get some blank ones as well. On the other side you actually get some deco stickers, which is really, really nice. I really like this cat here sitting on a little poof, I think. And this little quote says, "Find beauty in the little things." I really just fell for all of the adorable doodles. I think that's what also drew me towards the There She Is collection and the Own Your Story collection, because of all the cute little doodles. So this section, like I said, is the monthlies, and on the front here it has a little quote. You probably will have a hard time reading it, but it says, "Be in love with your life every minute of it." I think I do have another set of inserts that have this quote as well, but these inserts are a very, very nice blue color. I think it is almost the exact same color as the lining that is in this planner, maybe just a little bit lighter. So inside here you get all of your monthlies. I actually have these monthlies already from my gray planner as well as some of my other ones. They have the same inserts. So the outline of this is all blue. You get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and the weekend is slightly bigger boxes. So this is the next divider. This is your weekly divider, and it says collect moments, and again it has all of the illustrations here. And the front page says it all starts with an idea. So these are the inserts that I have been using for the past, I've been using them for the past 4 months. And I really like this layout. It is just a plain week on 2 pages, and the border of this is blue. I thought the blue of this inserts will be a lot more brighter, so that's what kind of turned me off about it. I got my gray planner because the inserts inside were gray, so I know that they would match with a lot of things. So I was a little worried that if I were to add a bunch of stickers in here that they wouldn't match. But this gray is actually quite neutral. It's a little kind of gray blue, which I think will match with a lot of things, so that's why I got it. And you have enough weekly inserts in here for the whole year. This next divider says to do, and it has a kitty, and it says today is the greatest. Again, nothing on the back divider. These are all of the daily pages or to-do pages. You can use these as dailies, or you can use them as project pages if you would like. It just has a to-do list over here. You have space to write the date. An area here that has your top priorities, and even has your water intake at the bottom. You don't get too many of these pages. I think they're about 13 or 14 pages, but these are double-sided like that. Really, really simple and easy. This next divider has some really pretty polka dots on them, and says, "Joy comes to us in ordinary moments." Now here starts all of the note pages, and all of these are lined. The lines are actually the same color as whatever border you have, so these ones are blue. The line paper from Kikki, by the way, they are lined, but like the lines are made up of little dots, so it's very, very pleasing to the eye. But you have a ton of these in this section, you have more in the next. This is one of my favorite dividers, I think. It has all of the plants in here. I think my favorite one has to be this one, or maybe even this one in this little mug sort of pot. And it says, "Find beauty in the little things." Really, really like that. And again, another set of line pages. This next divider says, "You can be anything you want to be kind," which I think is really, really nice. I really like the quotes that they choose for all of their collections. I feel like they're very sweet and unique and very inspirational at the same time. Sometimes they're very simple, like this one that says "Play every day." This divider has some really cute, what are these, fish and dog bones? So you have a cat here and then a spotted dog. I really like the spotted dog. The blue is the exact same color as the inserts and the lining. And I think that is the last insert. You just get another set of line paper. So that is it. That is my flip of this planner. I'll quickly do a few comparisons. I would definitely be adding some dashboards to the front and back so they can act as page lifters so the inserts don't curl up. I do have a code for HelloPaperCat, which is the place where I get all of my dashboards from. The code that I have for her shop is ARIEBEA15 for 15% off. So now on to the comparisons. Earlier I said that this leather is similar to the Life is Wonderful leather, and I think it literally is the same leather, it's just a different color. It feels really, really nice, and it does have a little bit of a texture, but it's very, very light. It's very, very smooth as well. So I do believe that these are about the same size. They are the same height and the width, and I really, really like it. And then I'll also take out my gray planner here so you guys can see that is also the same. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like this is my planner like full with everything that I need. And the amount of paper that I put into here is basically the amount of paper that Kikki gives you for free. So I think that's very, very cool and very generous, because some other companies will just give you like just the planner and no inserts. And also their inserts are like really cute, so like why not use them? So this is my There She Is planner. As you can see, it does also have illustrations on this. I just wanted to update you guys really, really quickly on this There She Is planner. This red boot, I have been talking about it for quite some time. It is almost completely rubbed off, and that is because this leather is a little bit more smooth and doesn't have too much texture to it. These ones I don't think will come off because the texture of the leather is different than this one. But here you can see the difference between a zip planner and a non-zip planner from Kikki. These are both in the medium size, the personal size. So as you can see, it's a little bit taller, and this one is a little bit wider. I'll also hold it up like this so you guys can see. It is quite a bit taller, maybe like half an inch. But the hardware in this one is also rose gold, so I think it's very, very cute together. So I think that is it for my flip and my comparison. I do want to show you guys one other thing that I picked up from Kikki recently. I didn't pick this up from the store, but I did pick it up from Indigo, which has some of the past collections from Kikki. This pencil case was from the previous Sweet collection, so not this one, the one previous, the year before. They still had this on their site, and I thought it was really cute. I think this pencil case is like so adorable. It's made of this canvas material. And it has a dog's face on it. I think they also had a cat, which is super adorable. For this collection they had a few different ones, but I think they were a lot smaller, maybe only like this much. This one has about an inch more. And what I wanted to show you guys was that it is literally the same size as a personal planner, which I think is really, really funny. That's a massive pencil case. If you guys wanted to see inside, it is lined with a tanned fabric as well. But yeah, I think that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. But yes, I'm going to stop the video here, and I will come back with another video soon. Bye!